ake sizame ke laphana ukuthola uMazitha umlandeli weKhosi Nation. Khosi Nation. Asibingelele Mazitha, sikubamukele kuBombela Fanatics, usimo okhulumayo kuhamba kanjani?
Sanibonani abalandeli bahle. Khosi for life. Abafana bokuthula noxolo. Abafana bahlezi bajabulile noma siyawina noma siyamisa.
Bathaphi.
Ngiyabonga. Umdlalo wanamhlanje. Guys, asikwamukeleni ukudlala neSundowns is not an easy task. Though iChiefs iyakwazi ukuthi mayitholile iSundowns ihlule, but it's not easy as best team eAfrica, Champions League. So it's not easy ukushaya leya team, but we did frustrate them. Babonile bomdawu beba frustrated nabo alende bangakwazi nokuthi bazoyapi. Well done to Phili, though bamsubstitutile, but I think ucoach umsubstitutile before akore because labantu bamile before akore. So I think maybe beka minus ukuthi athole another yellow card the way bengibona ngakhona. But well done to uNdlovu, uGajeni, well done, udlalile kakhulu for mina. And then bengicabanga ukuthi uyambona uLoyana uCheslet namhlanje abamnikezanga ithuba, maybe azama ukudlalisa labantwana abancane abanikeza ithuba. So bengizocela amakhosi asibe nesineke for ugoalkeeper wethu, sibuya kude naye wasiwinisa iNedbank Cup, singamlahleleni izandla. Kuyenzeka though it's uyenzile nomasidlala neGolden Arrows. I think it was a miscommunication yena nalo yabeka move naye, but asimnikezeni chance, singamlahleleni thawula. Kuyenzeka, we didn't lose, so asimsupporteni because masiyenza kaso sizomyenza imomentum yaye iye phansi, lento iyamosha engqondweni masiloko sikhuluma ngayo. So asimsupporteni guys, but well done amakhosi, sisupporte necoach wethu. I think coach wethu uza nama-tactics right, masikwazile ukudrawa neSundowns, singakhalelani bantu, sisase on top of the log, sisase right guys. Well done.
But catch us if you can.
Leyo niyazi musisihlezi silapha phezulu sisabamba iumbrella niyazi. So if sikwazi ukuthatha ama points as soon as possible because masiya laphayana masiya le in the middle of the season siyahluleka. So I think wherever we can get ama points asiwathatheni sihambe nawo, sisupport abadlali bethu because nabo abantu banezinto badila nazo. Remember, they are also human, asibasupporteni. Nathi siyaye emsebenzini sikhubazekile emgcondweni singafiki siperforma, but ubone ukuthi abakwazi ukuzibona lezo zinto. So asibasupporteni guys.
Yeah, kuyazwakala Mazitha makhulu lawo magama umlandeli weKhosi. Ngifisa ukuthi before ngudedele sibuke laphana emuva. Namhlanje sibona uKwinika edlala left back. Yakhumbula ukuthi abadlali abafana noMarco ngicabanga ukuthi balimala. Ngabe le defense ebikade idlala namhlanje ngibone ine-energy eningi, ngibone ngoba lapha beqale ngomonyane kwa right kwaba uMiguel noMolesane central wayesebeka uKwinika kwa left. Kuthini ukuphala kwakho before ngudedele ngaleya defense? Mina ngiyibone kwi-defense ebikade isikhandla isebenza ngokusikhandla ukuthi iyafuna ukuwina umdlalo, namaphutha yangwabonanga other than where kulela bhola ke abalikorile, of which bunge kuyiblame kakhulu defense ngoba bekade kuyibhola belikade likela yaphambili labuya kanti besa regroupa. Kuthini ukuphala kwakho ngaleya defense? Do you see them ukuthi mhlawumbe bengasticka kuyo, they can manage ukuthi baye phambili?
Yeah, i-defense yethu namhlanje isebenzile, though uMiguel angazi, ningangijaji, mina ngimthandisisi kahle. Ningangibuzi ukuthi why, but angimthandisisi for mina. But namhlanje ngibona basebenzile laphayana, asikwazi ukuba blame. I think i-miscommunication yo goalkeeper because mina ngokubona kwa maybe ushawutile ukuthi keeper abatshele ukuthi he got that, so maybe that's why abarelaxile. But namhlanje basebenzile. If bekungasiyibona basebenzile guys, hayi besizokhuluma enye, mina ngibashayela izandla.
Yeah, nami angifuna ukuqaba manga, ngibone bedlale kahle kakhulu namhlanje noma ngesikhathi igame iqala bengizibuza ukuthi hayibo uFrozler uphi. bayimisele kanjani ngokuthi bezofaka uKwinika, but I raise my case. I think uKwinika had a good game. I can't fault him on that one.
Yeah. Nami ngizibuzile ngeFrozler is my favorite player. So but angisho asaze ama lona maybe ucoach usafuna i-team yakhe number 1 team yakhe, so we will never know usazama ukuthola i-team, but so far so good.
Sengudedela Mashinga Mazitha, ngiyafisa ukuthi ngiyafisa ukuthi ungiphe ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs mhlawumbe uyibona kuyipi cup engahliwine this season on your view.
Mina angithanda ukuzibeka ku-pressure whatever cup, but le bengithandisisa ukuthi siyithole ile league, if singathola ileague because hey ayiku-dry, lamanye siyawabona because kusale i-Nedbank ne-CAF Confederation noma singayithathi but sifika ku-final or semi-final singaba sisebenzile, but i-league for mina bengiyifisela and then ngiyithandazela ukuthi masingayithatha ingayenza omunye umehluko omkhulu.
Hayi Mazitha, wonke umuntu odlalayo ku-Betway Premiership usethubeni lokuwina noma yipi i-cup ayingenelayo. Uma ungathi uyabhekana last season amathema amakhulu ehluleka ukuwina iNedbank yaze yagcina iwinwa i-Durban City, of which even iKaizer Chiefs ngendlela enomdlandla ngayo kuningi okusengenzeka. Asikudedele Mazitha, sibonge kakhulu ngesikhathi sakho, sisho ukuthi ungadina njalo, le ngosi izohlala ikhona njalo makade kumgcibelo nangalisonto. Siyabonga kakhulu.
Thank you.